Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Firstly, thank you all so much for all your support and thank you for choosing to spend some time with me. Already misspeaking. Anyway, on this video, you are going to get to see me create my Halloween stroke trick or treat resin dish. So when the kids come around to our house, the lollies are going to be in here, and if they dare put their hands in there, in my little spider's web. Oh, whatever, bloodbath. Anyway, if you want to see how this piece was created, stay around for the rest of this video. If not, come back and see me on another video. You may enjoy some of my work. Now, I really love the impact that and the special effects that you got from putting these resin dyes directly in. And I came back and then added some more spiders with embellishments all over, because why not? It's Halloween. And overall, really love the potential that you get with this. There's just one tiny little thing which really just added to the value. I just went with a single layer, but let me see if I can find it here. There's just a tiny little crease where when I took my resin away, you see it splat. And it just meant that it was not cured enough for me to sculpt, and that's the risk that you take if you don't get your timings quite right. However, it didn't devalue this because of the spooky nature in it. But I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. I'm going to love you and leave you now, and hope you enjoy this process. But thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Remember to check out my Etsy store. There might be some treasures there that you want to purchase. And also join my Facebook group. I'd love to I'd love for you to showcase your art to me, because that helps inspire me and the other creatives out there within the community. And also, hopefully we will inspire you. But anyway, Spookalicious, I'd love to know what projects you're working on in preparation for Halloween. Yay! See you, and remember to check out my live stream that I did recently announcing my winners for the giveaway I did when I hit 30,000 subscribers. Anyway, Spookalicious.